In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on the grid feature in Canva. This helpful tool allows you to align and organize various elements within your project seamlessly. Whether you're working on a presentation, a poster, or a social media post, grids can provide structure and make your design process much easier. So let's get started. First, you'll need to open up your web browser and head over to Canva's website, which is canva.com. Once you're there, you'll see the login button in the upper right corner of the page. Click on it to sign in using your credentials. If you don't have a Canva account yet, you can easily create one. Canva offers a few sign-in options, allowing you to log in using your Google or Facebook account, or simply with your email address. Choose the option that's most convenient for you, and once you're signed in, you'll be on the dashboard where you can see all your projects. After logging in, it's time to select the project you'd like to edit. This could be anything from a saved design to a new project you're starting. Click on the project to open it up in the Canva editor. Once your project is open, look towards the top menu bar. You should see a tab labeled File. Click on File to open a drop-down menu. This is where you'll manage many of your project settings, including the grid feature. Next, from the drop-down menu, select View Settings. This will bring up several options related to how you view and interact with your design. You'll want to check the option for Show Rulers and Guides. By enabling this, you'll see visual cues on your canvas, which will assist you in aligning and spacing out your design elements. Now, to really utilize the grid feature, you need to customize it further. Again, go to File, then View Settings, and select Add Guides. Canva offers preset grid options for you to choose from, such as a simple 3x3 grid, or a more complex setup with 12 columns. However, if you have specific grid requirements, Canva allows you to create custom grids. You can define the number of rows and columns and even set the gap and margin according to your needs. Having this level of customization ensures that the grid works perfectly for your particular design project and enhances overall precision. With your grid now set up, you should notice how much easier it is to arrange and align the elements of your design. Using grids effectively can significantly elevate the quality of your work by ensuring consistency and symmetry across all parts of your project. That wraps up our guide for today on how to turn on and utilize the grid feature in Canva. Thanks for watching and happy designing.